This video shows how to replace a PCIe add-in card on a PowerEdge XR4520c sled. Before removing the PCIe card, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4520c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the PCIe add-in card, you must first remove the PCI cover. To remove the PCI cover, loosen the captive screw that secures it to the sled. Rotate the PCI cover outward and remove it from the chassis. To remove the PCIe add-in card, if necessary, press the blue latch on the PCI holder to release the card. Hold the expansion card by the edges and pull it from the slot. To remove an M.2 SSD, slide the blue clip to release the SSD. Lift and remove the SSD from the socket. To install the M.2 SSD, align and insert the SSD into the socket on the board. Slide the blue clip to secure it. To install the PCIe add-in card, align and insert it into the slot. And if necessary, rotate the blue card holder clip and click it into place to secure the card. To install the PCI cover, insert the end into the slot on the sled and rotate it into place. Then, tighten the captive screw that secures the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.